Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: account level, region locks, and ownership caps so you won't be blocked later. Once those are confirmed, gather the 3 Azure shards and 500 coins. Those are non-negotiable resources. Next, raise reputation to level 20 to unlock the vendor option and enable multiplayer trade or vendor access in settings, otherwise you can't transact. Follow the vendor coordinates to begin the actual exchange. Doing these in sequence prevents backtracking and wasted resources. You now proceed to the vendor zone, making sure you arrive during the event window because availability is limited. Once there, initiate the vendor interaction and select the exchange option. Confirm that the 3 Azure shards and 500 coins will be consumed. If the vendor demands a token activation, complete the brief escort or solve the puzzle nearby. This unlocks the final dialogue. Make sure to watch the timer and avoid dying, since failure often resets vendor progress and forces you to reacquire consumed materials. You finish by accepting the Azure Flute from the vendor, equipping it, and testing its sound and attributes in a safe zone so you confirm it functions correctly. If the acquisition fails or the item vanishes, immediately check server logs, inventory caps, and whether the currency refunded. Next, relog and verify your transaction receipt in the account ledger. Often that restores a missing item. If problems persist, contact support with your receipts and timestamps. This speeds resolution and prevents repeat loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.